Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my favorite way to achieve heatless curls using these flexible rods from Amazon. These are a huge bag and they were only about like $13. Some of them are really skinny, some of them are thicker, so depending on the type of curls that you want to achieve, you can use like a different thickness. I really love these. I used to use them all the time. I haven't really used them since I cut my hair, but today I'm gonna try them again. And what I usually do is I would wash my hair and I will let it dry until it's about 80% dry, and then I will put the rods in my hair and sleep with them, and then the next morning I'll have beautiful curls. So today I decided to try something different, like a quicker method. I'm gonna use the rods on my dry hair, but I'm gonna spray it with sea salt spray beforehand to help the curls form, and I will probably use my blow dryer to dry my hair. We'll see how it's gonna go. I think I'm gonna use the thickest ones because I wanna have like a looser curls, like more of a wave, I guess. So I think I'm gonna do it in sections. I'm gonna tie like half of my hair up while I'm working on the bottom parts. I'm just trying to spray it all over to make my hair kind of wet, I guess. Okay, we can start now. I'm taking maybe like, I don't know how much, like this much maybe. And what I'm doing is I would just curl it around the rod. I don't know if there's a better way to like keep them up, but that's how I do it and it's working. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So I'm ready with the lower part of my hair and we can move on to the top part. Okay guys, I think I'm done and I think I'm gonna keep them for like an hour. I'm gonna blow dry them probably with my blow dryer for a little bit just to be sure that they're dry, and then we'll see what the final result is. It's been an hour and I'm gonna blow dry my hair a little bit. Start with the lower part of my hair. Yes, this have worked. It's gonna be wavy, not super curly, but this is exactly what I was hoping for anyways. The thickest ones are extremely loose, so I might have to touch them up with my curling wand. I'll have to touch up the whole hair probably, but you get the idea. Okay, so this is my hair. I need to style it a little bit. I'm gonna take some hairspray, just like separate the curls a little bit so it looks like a bit better. So I'd say my hair is a little bit like more wavy and not so curly, and that's because I use the really thick ones. But if you use like the really skinny ones, it's obviously going to be different. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more lifestyle content, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys!